In this week's AMT-Standard Bank Fresh Produce Market Overview, we focus on the citrus and avocado markets, which is currently under pressure with avo prices already significantly lower compared to last year, while some predict that the oil price could drop to $60 per barrel soon. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT-Standard Bank Fresh Produce Market Outlook, all made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Toyota and Zimmatic irrigation systems. To make sure you get the latest information first, subscribe to AMT's YouTube channel or one of its WhatsApp groups where we usually share some extra information as well. All these links are available on AMT's Facebook page. Looking at the latest economic indicators, interest rates in America increased and weakened the dollar over the past week, with the rand currently trading at 18.31 per US dollar. There might be a 25 basis point increase in our local interest rates as well, which could mean a weaker rand again. The Brent crude oil price remained at $76 per barrel, with JP Morgan predicting that the price could drop to $60 per barrel soon due to the global economic recession and pressure on worldwide demand for oil. So it's not only in South Africa that we're faced with difficult economic conditions at the moment. The potato price increased slightly the past week, staying about 32% higher than last year at the same time. The latest average national price is currently trading on R52.71 per 10 kilogram bag. The average Class 1 price traded on R56.94, while the average mondial price decreased, trading on R51.84. The Class 1 large mondial price traded slightly low on R65 per 10 kilogram bag on the Nile.ag platform. Tomato prices decreased by 13% to R9.16 per kilogram, but is still about 25% higher compared to last year at the same time, while the Class 1 tomato price decreased to R10.72. Volumes already decreased by 2% last week, and we're therefore expecting higher prices over the next 2 weeks prior to Easter due to higher demand expected as well as lower volumes on the markets. The latest carrot price also traded higher and traded on R6.56 per kilogram and is now about 29% higher compared to last year. The Class 1 price increased to R7.25, while Nile.ag's Class 1 large carrot price increased to R100 per 10 kilogram bag. Carrot prices are likely to peak within the next week or two when demand is usually at its highest. However, expect lower prices as we head deeper into the winter months. Onion prices continued on its upward trend, increasing by 2% the past week to R90.98 per 10 kilogram bag, which is about 108% higher compared to last year, or almost double the price. The Class 1 price increased to R95.72, while Nile.ag's Class 1 large medium brown onion price traded higher on R110 per 10 kilogram. Other vegetable prices traded as follows: cabbages on R4.46, garlic on R56.21, spinach prices on R4.48, pumpkin prices on R2.49, while sweet potato prices decreased to R5.18 last week. The average pepper price again decreased to R14.23, with green pepper prices slightly lower on R13.13. We again saw a sharp decrease in red and yellow variety prices due to higher volumes, with red pepper prices now on R14.37, while yellow peppers decreased to R18.64 per kilogram. Pepper prices are likely to stay on a lower level over the coming 2 months. This broadcast is made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Toyota and Zimmatic irrigation systems. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, lower commissions and faster payments. Learn more about Nile.ag on their website www.nile.ag or download their latest app. For a journey of a lifetime, let Toyota help you find your first price. For more information, contact their dealer principal Andrew VM directly on 083 457 8057 and get the best price and service nationwide for the Toyota of your choice. In the fruit market, banana prices already started to decrease, decreasing by 8% to R9.28 the past week, while the average class 1 banana price decreased to R10.26. The average banana price is now about 10% higher compared to last year, but I think prices can stay in a general downward trend over the next few months as volumes are expected to increase. However, keep in mind that we had some damage in Mozambique to their crop, which can keep our exports on a high level as well as our local prices on a slightly higher level than expected. On Nile.ag, the Class 1 large hand variety price stayed on a higher level of R220 per 18 kg box. The latest apple price traded higher on R8.25, while pear prices decreased slightly to R7.40 per kilogram. I still think pear prices can continue in an upward trend for now, while apples can become cheaper due to higher expected volumes on the markets. Orange prices decreased sharply again the past week and now trades on R4.82, which is mostly due to a 17% increase in volumes over the past week. This time of the year, this increase in volumes are expected, with prices usually staying on a lower level during May and June. The price is still about 14% higher than a year ago, which is some good news, but it's expected to trade and move into a lower level compared to last year's levels. The latest lemon price increased to R5.61 per kilogram last week. Since the start of this year, avocado prices stayed in a downward trend, with the latest average national price now on R9.84 per kilogram, 11% lower than a week ago. There is some alarm bells ringing, with this price already 15% lower compared to a year ago. The severe pressure on the price is caused by high volumes and lower international demand and exports therefore. The volumes on the local markets are currently 53% higher compared to a year ago. The Class 1 avocado price decreased to R12.35 last week. I think, however, we can see a slight improvement in the price during April, as we usually see some slightly higher demand as we move into Easter weekend. Table grape prices decreased to R19.16, while the latest pineapple price increased to R12.26. Zimmatic irrigation systems are built to last, from industry-leading durability and strength to innovative enhancements and advanced technology. Every product is designed to be a part of a custom and flexible solution that will best support you and your field. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Theatre Artery, and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe, and thank you for watching.